Meet Bill. Bill's a business owner who's looking for a professionally licensed drone operator to hire for a job. Unfortunately, Bill didn't know where to go to find someone until a friend told him about Doober. Doober's a revolutionary new app that connects licensed drone operators with individuals who need their services. To use the app, users simply download and sign up for the app with an email address. From there, users can register as either a drone pilot or a client looking for drone operators. Clients can be an individual person, organization, group, or business. From there, clients can begin to post services needed for potential drone pilots to browse the drone services needed. Clients will be able to list the job, budget, and the client's profile details, including their location, contact information, and drone services needed. Are you a drone pilot looking for work? Simply and easily sign up for the app and create a profile to list your location and contact information. The drone pilot's profile will also include services offered, rates, credentials, and license information, travel preferences, as well as pictures and videos of previous work. Drone operators can apply and message each other through the app about a particular job. Once a job's been agreed upon, the drone operator can manage upcoming jobs in the calendar feature of the app. Once the job's completed, the client and drone operator can rate and review each other. What are you waiting for? Download the app today to start your Doober experience and check out doober.camera for more info. Let's fly.